Hello. In this tutorial, I'll briefly introduce the DesignBuilder UK certification interface for producing EPCs and Building Regulations compliance documents in the UK and Ireland. Our SBEM and DSM interfaces are very similar, so this tutorial will introduce our UK and Ireland certification interface using DesignBuilder SBEM. The differences specific to DSM are covered in a separate DSM tutorial. During this tutorial, I'll briefly show you how to build a simple model and add model data using the SBEM variant of our UK and Ireland certification interface. Then I'll run a calculation, and finally, I'll review the output documents, including the EPC, BRUCL, and the recommendations report. Before discussing the specifics of our SBEM certification interface,
you can access the full tutorial from DesignBuilder's website here. This page contains our extensive range of free tutorials, including an introduction to the software and more details on DesignBuilder's key capabilities and workflows. The tutorials are all short, enabling you to quickly and easily view the most important details in your areas of interest. They provide an excellent guide for anyone wanting to evaluate DesignBuilder. A direct link to this specific tutorial is included in the video description.